Want to become a hacking pro? Here are the top 5 platforms you need to know in 2025. First up, we have Hack the Box. This platform is a favorite among cybersecurity professionals. It offers real-world hacking scenarios in a gamified environment. With Hack the Box, you'll learn penetration testing, exploit vulnerabilities, and solve challenges, all while battling other hackers. It's perfect for anyone who loves hands-on learning. Next is TryHackMe, a beginner-friendly platform with guided tutorials and structured learning paths. It's designed to take you from zero to hero in cybersecurity. TryHackMe offers interactive labs, covering everything from basic networking to red teaming. Whether you're just starting out or looking to specialize, this platform has you covered. Third on our list is the SANS Institute. This is where the pros go to level up. Known for its highly technical courses, SANS offers certifications that are recognized worldwide. If you're serious about a cybersecurity career, their GIAC certifications will give you an edge in the job market. Yes, it's pricey, but the value is undeniable. Fourth, we have Offensive Security, the gold standard for ethical hacking certifications. If you've heard of the OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, this is the team behind it. Their courses are known for being tough, but they'll teach you skills that are unmatched. From hands-on labs to live networks, Offensive Security is for those who want to be the best. And finally, we have RootMe, a platform for gamified, hands-on practice. With over 400 challenges, you can test your skills in web application hacking, reverse engineering, and more. It's free to get started and perfect for those who want to practice real-world scenarios in a competitive environment. RootMe is where you build confidence while having fun. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your journey or a professional aiming to sharpen your skills, these platforms have something for everyone. The world of ethical hacking is yours to explore. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite hacking platform?